guys, welcome back to the channel. And today we are going to have a look at the volatility index of the S&P 500. And why are we going to look at this metric? Because we have seen a breakout right here, but not yet a retest. And if we do get a retest, it might be bearish for the regular financial markets, which in turn will also most likely be slightly bearish for Bitcoin shorter term time frame. So this is really short term time frame, but let me show you how it normally goes. So normally this metric basically shows whether the volatility is going up or whether volatility is going down. When price moves up, it goes with a low volatility. When price goes down, it goes with high volatility. Okay, so when this goes up, price goes down. That is called the inverse correlation. What we see right here is we see a declining resistance, breakout, retest. This is a big dump in the S&P 500. What you say you want some evidence? Okay, let's have a look at some evidence. Let's overlay the S&P 500. I'm going to get it away as well because just going to show you the evidence, right? So here we have the breakout. We have the retest here, and the orange is S&P 500. And as the S&P 500 comes down, or as the VIX goes up, the S&P 500 goes down. Right? That happens with every example I'm going to make. So I'm going to get rid of this one. Otherwise, it's a bit difficult to look at this chart, right? So we got here as well declining resistance, breakout, dump in the S&P 500. Here we also got declining resistance, breakout, a very ugly retest, but that's the thing with this chart. It's not the cleanest chart out there, guys. So we get a break, retest below the trend line, then a pump in the volatility equals a move down. What we are seeing right now, guys, is we just broke out a declining resistance, but we're already trading below that resistance. So if this results in a fake out and we come down, then that's actually quite bullish for the S&P 500 and for Bitcoin. But if we do get an ugly retest right here and we were to go up, then actually the S&P 500 could come down. Maybe come down, have a come down, has a retest. I think this is actually quite likely. Why? Because also based on cycles, we could see a low coming in the next weeks and month ahead, right? So it would make sense to me personally for the S&P 500 to come down and get a retest. That just would make sense for me. We also see the momentum indicator coming down right here. Well, price went up. Still, I'm generally bullish on the S&P 500, but in the shorter term time frame, we could come down. Guys, before we are going to continue, make sure to smash up a like button. A lot of people don't know about this metric. This is one of the metrics that we are using for our trading because we are looking at different charts to confirm the same thing, right? We do see we had a cycle high in Bitcoin where we have talked about right here. The cycle high actually most likely came a little bit too early, right? Which happens now and then. It's like a rough estimate. Maybe came a couple of days earlier. So right now we're looking for that next cycle low to occur. So that would definitely could definitely be something like this, right? It doesn't mean that things go down in one straight way. It never goes like that. It always has a certain rhythm. So this is what I'm watching, and I think the VIX is a nice chart to watch, whether we can see a nice bounce of this former resistance turning maybe into support, or whether we are going to continue to break down. This is basically what I want to share. Let me know what you think, guys, in the comment section down below. If you are looking at this chart, if you think this chart is showing any significance, and whether you think this chart is going to bounce or whether this chart is going to result in a fake out. And remind this, guys, when this result in a fake out, so when it comes down, it will actually be more bullish for the charts. Guys, that was it for today's video. Hope you all enjoyed it. If so, make sure to leave a thumbs up, share this video with as much people as possible, If you are interested in trading Bitcoin and stuff, you should do that over on Bybit. Bybit is the best exchange, and if you sign up on Bybit, you can join WhaleAlerts, which is the Telegram channel from whaleportal, with extra alerts and signals and content, which is definitely very valuable. And every call that we've made over on WhaleAlerts already has been in profit. So the loss ratio of the calls made in WhaleAlerts is actually at this moment 0. Of course, there will come some in the past, but it definitely says something about the knowledge that is available down there. And the only thing you need to do right now is join Bybit with the affiliate link down below, deposit and sign up to WhaleAlerts. In the future, that won't be possible anymore, as we are going to enter some partnerships and so on, and we will have to charge a monthly fee. Also, the services will expand on that. So right now, definitely a opportunity while you still can to join that service. Guys, I want to thank you all for watching, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.